All right, hello once again. It's Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming. It's been a while since I've been on, and I want to give you an update on what's going on. If you look on the screen right now, you'll notice that I've created, I'd say approximately 355 videos. I started with Jeff Teaches Programming Python. I went to Jeff Teaches Programming C#, and the last one was Jeff Teaches Programming Front End. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a new playlist. I've actually tried to add it. I think it's there, but since there's nothing in it, it's not showing. And it's going to be Jeff Teaches Programming Java. And what I'm going to do in there is I'm going to create the calculator program using Java, then the BMI program using Java, then the payroll program using Java. And I'm going to create all three of those using, for lack of better words, vanilla Java. In other words, non-Kotlin. Then I'm going to go back and try to recreate all three of those using Kotlin. Now, the reason I haven't done anything for a while is I signed up to take this class, the AI Engineer Course 2026 Complete AI Engineer Bootcamp. And as you notice, it's 29.5 hours, 107 coding exercises, etc. And what I have done in there is looking at this, there's 77 sections. And I've completed about the first 20 of them. All right, so I'm about a quarter of the way through. And I'd like to go back and do some AI work, but I don't want to do it until I feel comfortable doing it. So what I'm going to do is this Java. It says to write, compile, and debug Java code in VS Code. I don't know if I have this right here. So I'm going to try to download and install the latest long-term support version from Oracle Java. So I'm going to download Java. Looks like it would work. Now it says Linux, which of course I wouldn't want. I'll say Linux. Oh, that's probably why. Okay. So let's look at that. No, I don't want this. No. Okay, I want Windows. There you go. So that's the one I want. I'll get rid of the other one. Downloads. I don't need this Linux one. So it's now gone. All right. Says it's a zip. Well, let's go back to here. Install it. Circling Java the easy way, VS Code beginner. How to run a Java program in VS Code. That's what I want to end up doing.
We are looking for people who want to master AI filmmaking in 28 days. No free time needed, just 10 minutes a day. Nexera gives you interactive, bite-sized lessons.
Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today, you're going to learn how to set up
I think rather than you watching me watch, I'm going to pause.
Using Visual Studio Code, which is a powerful and versatile code editor. Whether you are a beginner or an
Alright, just to keep you updated, the first thing they said to do was to install VS Code, which I've already done. Then next, they said we should go in here and look, download JDK for Windows. I think that's the one I've already downloaded, but I'll check anyway. But I'm still using Windows 10, so download Java Development Kit. Download Java. See what it says here.
Alright. So let's click on this and it will be taken to this page. Yeah.
That is the one that I did
So as you
download.
can see here now, we've got a bunch of operating systems that you can use or which is applicable to you. So I've actually selected Windows.
So
And you
again,
select whatever
I'll come back.
installation type that you want.
So again, they recommend you install this one, the MSI. I'm going to bring that one in, try to. Okay, I'm just going to hit all the defaults. Says it was successfully installed. I'm going to remove those files in just a minute. But looking at this, the next thing they said to do was to go back into Visual Studio Code, which is what I'm about to do.
So here we have to also install the extensions for Java. Yeah, so we come to the extension. So here, as you can see here, we've got a bunch of extensions that we can actually download. So as you can see, I've actually got some extensions installed. Yeah, but for this video's sake, I'm going to collapse that. Yeah, and we actually can type extensions.
Okay, so this is what this guy has installed. I'm going to need the Gradle eventually. So I'm going to grab those, or try to. Okay, there's Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to go to Extensions, and I'm going to start with Debugger for Java. Install that. Platform extension. Java extensions. VS Code Java. I think I did the extension pack. Already got that, it looks like. The debugger for Java I've got, Gradle for Java. No, let's hope I've got all those in there.
Yeah, but for this video's sake, I'm going to collapse that. Yeah, and we actually can type in extensions pack for Java. So as you can see here now, we've got the first result. So this is a popular extensions for Java development that provides Java intelligence, debugging, testing, and whatnot. Yeah. So let's select it. So basically, as you can see here now, it comes with a bunch of other extensions, but they're all downloaded and installed automatically. So as you can see here now, I've already installed it. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is there will be a button.
Alright, so I've installed this extension pack for Java. I believe that is in there. Okay, so the next thing we're supposed to do is to get into here, close all this, and they want us to do a Control-Shift-P. Okay, create a Java project. Alright, so technically you're supposed to type in Java : create Java project. I thought that's what it was. Great. I know I'm impressing all of you right now, right? Let's try that again. Control-Shift-P. There it is, Java : create Java project with no build tools. Okay. See where we go next. Give me a second. Alright, so in here we're told what do we want to do. So I've got a bunch of junk in here already. I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to create a new folder that I'm just going to call Java. Okay. Alright. So inside of there, I'm going to create another folder that I'm going to call Calculator. Okay. So that'll be my project location. It says input a project name, press enter to confirm or escape to cancel. And we will just call this project Java Calculator. Okay. Alright, again, following along with this, it now has the Java calculator. Everything we do will be in source, and right now there's a file in there called app.java, which is a real simple hello world program. If I click run without debugging, and I'm going to select the debugger. May have selected the wrong one. Hold on a sec. Guess I should have watched a little more. So let's click run, start debugging. There it is. Hello world. Now I think what I'm about to do will work just fine. I'm going to leave that app Java in there. But in here, I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to call it main.java. And I'm going to create another file that I'm going to call calculator state.java. All right, and for now at least, I'm going to just keep that one in there, but I am going to remove that. Okay. All right, hold on. All right, that is pretty much everything. So this is the video that I used. Start coding Java the easiest way, VS Code Beginner Guide, and that's the URL for it. All right, I'm going to save this, and when I come back, I'm going to start writing main.java. So I'll see you then. Thanks.